Welcome to the world of business. We start further afield where competition in businesses is key in ensuring consumers get quality products and services. Now, consumer awareness on their rights remains low as a challenge that consumers protection bodies such as COMESA Competition Commission are working to surmount. Now, as you can see on your screen, our very own Kiptum joins us from Livingstone, that is in Zambia, where a sensitization workshop on the competition and consumer protection is currently ongoing. Kiptum, good to see you this afternoon. What is happening in Livingstone, especially during this particular sensitization program?
Good afternoon to you there, Abdiaziz Hashim. We are coming to you live from Livingstone in Zambia, which is about an hour behind the Kenyan time. And the COMESA Competition Commission is undertaking a sensitization training for journalists to ensure that more people are aware of their consumer protection rights, as well as just how to go through these rights and ensure that they are getting the best quality from businesses. Remember that the COMESA Competition Commission is charged with ensuring that consumers are protected across the COMESA region, in which Kenya is a member. Of the 21 members of the COMESA, 19 of them have competition authorities in place, including Kenya, and there's a lot of robust activities around consumer protection and awareness and ensuring that the Kenyan market remains competitive. We just saw some numbers there that shows that Kenya's competition and mergers and acquisition is very active compared to the rest of the COMESA region. And a number of issues that have come up include the level of awareness among the citizenry, both in Kenya and across the COMESA region, that the level of awareness is still low on matters consumer rights, and more is being done to ensure that they are being sensitized. There is also an overhaul that the COMESA Competition Commission is doing on its way of conducting business, and it says that it will be in place by the end of December this year to ensure that there is a more robust system for competition in the COMESA market, as well as for consumer protection. And one of the issues that they brought up is that they are overhauling the COMESA merger control regime that will see parties no longer be allowed to merge without approval. Before that, it had to be an issue of notifying the COMESA Competition Commission, and then they give their recommendation, and then you could proceed to merge. But if you cannot now merge beyond 2024, you cannot merge without the approval of the CCC. There is also introduction of thresholds for digital markets to prevent killer acquisitions. Of course, this is a very pertinent area in terms of ensuring that competition in this industry remains rife. Remember that there are the big boys, so to say, in the digital markets, and they are coming up with policies to ensure that even in the COMESA market, the digital markets will remain very competitive and will not give some competitive advantage to the big boys. There are the COMESA Competition Commission officials, of course, are saying that it is very important for more people to be aware of their rights as consumers, and to even give the national competition authorities, which Competition Authority of Kenya is part of, to give them more power to ensure that they are implementing these laws locally and to ensure that a competitive market remains. Remember that a competitive market is very crucial, especially to consumers, because it ensures that they receive the best quality of products and services, and that where there is competition, businesses thrive, as opposed to an idea where you would think that businesses would not want competition and would want to monopolize markets. It is very important to ensure that there is competition in a market, because with competition, more businesses are birthed, more mergers and acquisitions come about, and the economies increase. So we are participating in this particular sensitization program, and there will be a press conference tomorrow to just inform the COMESA region on exactly the developments in terms of those competition rules and competition practices that are coming up, as well as maybe cases that are coming up, or whichever part of the process of resolving them there in. So we shall be also standing by for that. But for now, we will be getting back to the training. My name is Kiptum. Back to you, Abdiaziz Hashim, in studio.